Give me my hand.
Ito ka.
Give me hand. Give me. Give me. Give me rice.
Happy birthday, Ate Celine.
How is it?
Celine,
How is this
happy
better?
birthday.
How is this better?
Yeah. Konti lang din naman kami.
Kumusta mo?
Hindi ako nagsabi ng ganyan na konti na. Ate, happy birthday.
I want to catch.
Ano? Ganun mo sa kamay mo.
Kaya ka talaga.
Si Leo, you put like rice on your palm. Yeah, they will go to you.
Mommy, they like rice.
Kuha kayo sa dali natin.
Hold mo to. I'll catch one. Hold mo to.
No.